Well, thank you for joining us. I'd like to look at the numbers which are prime or composite. Now, sometimes you're asked, is this a prime number or is this a composite number? This question that I'm looking at now is asking the question, is 801 composite? Now, if it is composite, how do I show that it's composite? I don't want just to say yes or no, because if I just said yes or no, you'd simply write yes. But yes doesn't show me, it's a 50% chance of getting it correct, but how do I show that the number is a composite number? So let's remember what a composite number is. Composite is a number which is not prime. So if you know what a prime number is, then this is important. If I say not prime and then you say, well, what's prime? Prime numbers only factors are one in itself, right? One and itself. So example, the number 17, for instance, 17, it can only equal 1 and itself times 17. So the factors are 1 and 17 only. So therefore 17 is prime. Is prime because the only factor of integers is 1 times 17. But let's take 801 and say, well, how do I show that 801 is composite? Well, all I have to do is find any two numbers that multiply to equal 801. And it cannot be just 1 and 801, otherwise it's prime. So 2 will not go into this number because it's not an even number. 3, well, 8 plus 0 plus 1 is 9, and 3 does go into the sum of the digits. Therefore, that's a quick test for 3. So yes, 3 times something now into 8. 3 2s are 6. I'll divide this into remainder 2. 3 6s are 18 into 20. 3 6s are 18, remainder 2. And into 21, 3 7s are 21. Okay, so 801 is 3 times 267. That's all we have to do to show that the number is composite. So since 801 equals 3 times 267, therefore it's not prime, it is composite. But what you have to do is show any product as long as it's not just one in itself to prove that or to show that it's composite. I hope this has helped. Until I see you again, stay happy.